This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. This is one of the most popular smartwatches on the market, and in this video, we're going to see if it's actually worth the hype or if it's just good marketing. Also, I did an in-depth comparison with this smartwatch and other smartwatches like the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro to see how it really stacks up. It has a similar design as the previous model and comes in a few different color variants to match your personal style. It comes with an updated wrist strap that allows the watch to sit closer to your wrist, which helps produce more accurate fitness insights when tracking, or you can easily swap it out if you want a different look. It also comes with a 5 ATM water resistance rating, so you can safely wear it in the pool or shower, and it has a brushed aluminum frame for added resistance against bumps or knocks. It also comes with a responsive touchscreen interface and 2 physical buttons to activate your preferred functions, but it doesn't have a rotating bezel like some previous Samsung watches. The watch is available in either a 40mm or 44mm size depending on your needs, and the display is made from sapphire crystal glass to provide additional resistance against cracks and scratches. It features a Super AMOLED circular touchscreen display with a 330 ppi, which can reliably produce a crystal clear image, smooth animations, legible text, and enough brightness to easily see your important information in brighter settings. I also like that you can personalize the watch faces so you can keep your important information accessible. It's also important to know that it comes with some updated fitness tracking features from previous models. Unlike its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch 4, it provides a temperature analysis sensor to deliver more in-depth health insights, along with their Samsung 3-in-1 Bioactive Scanner, which can accurately read your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation levels, and body composition readings. It can track basic fitness metrics such as your step count or distance traveled, and offers automatic tracking for common activities like running or cycling, an auto pause feature when you stop moving, body fat measuring tools, and more. In addition, it features a new sleep tracking system with more in-depth guidance and better overall insights. And it comes with some useful additional features such as accurate GPS tracking for your outdoor workouts, over 100 dedicated sports modes for your favorite activities, and the Samsung Health app to view your insights. Under the hood, it has a powerful Exynos W920 processor that delivers snappy performance when switching between screens, scrolling through menus, or loading apps, 1.5 gigabytes of RAM to handle some multitasking, and onboard storage for your preferred media. It runs Google's intuitive Wear OS 3 software with Samsung's One UI watch interface, which provides a number of solid modern features, including built-in Google Assistant and Bixby for hands-free control, Google Wallet and Samsung Pay support integration with other services such as Gmail or Maps, and access to the Google Play Store's library of apps. It's also compatible with most modern devices, though it's worth mentioning that it's SmartThings compatible and optimized to work with other Samsung devices or in-house applications. I also like that it offers robust phone call support and allows you to initiate calls from your watch, so you can leave your phone at home when working out. The battery performance isn't as robust as some other options in this price range, but it features a solid 284 mAh or 410 mAh battery that should still be able to last for around 50 hours per charge, which should be enough for most lifestyle or fitness tracking needs. I also like that it comes with a USB-C connectivity to complete a full charge in around an hour, and it offers a unique function that allows you to charge the watch directly from your phone if you're in a pinch. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is a solid all-around option that comes with a durable build and a redesigned watch strap that allows for more accurate tracking. With its powerful processor that delivers snappy performance in most situations, comprehensive app and software support, and impressive range of fitness tracking features, it's not difficult to see why it's been such a popular and highly rated smartwatch since its release. All things considered, I think this is an excellent option, and it's an ideal choice for anyone who wants a powerful, speedy, fitness tracking smartwatch that's optimized for the Samsung ecosystem. That's all for this video though. Till next time.